Hey Diane, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I was going to be sending you out the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your competitors' sites really quickly. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your home page, which definitely looks easy to navigate. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. And one of those factors, key factors, is going to be content. And so you want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage, and you guys currently have 266 words. So we would definitely want to add some more content on here, and we'd want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through the site, and they are going to determine whether or not the content on it will help Google users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And so, in addition to also having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to have an appropriate amount of high volume keywords that are relevant to what you do in there as well, so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword that I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Richmond, VA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 250 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar, here at the top, we'd usually see Google Ads. There aren't any popping up right now, but Google Ads are a really great way to build brand recognition and get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, especially. However, if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually waste a lot of money on them. But if you do, they're a really great way to get things moving quickly. And so underneath where the ads typically are right now, here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Map Pack is great. It gets you to the top of the first page as long as you make it one of these top 3 spots. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online local directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be on as many of those trusted and highly used directories as you can, and you definitely want to be on more of them than these 3 businesses right here. And so if we scroll down here, we have our organic search results. And so this should definitely be where your main area of focus is. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to click on one of these right here, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so here I am going to click on the top competitor for this keyword. And so we can scroll through and we can see, although their site is not as pretty as yours, it definitely has more content. They actually have 887 words. So although they have more, they technically still don't even have enough. So it would be very easy to beat them out content wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. You want to have as many of these shout outs as you can from high powered and relevant websites. So, for instance, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your website. And so over here, I've hopped on Ahrefs.com. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly recommend trying to use it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $400 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have 49 backlinks from 18 different domains and are ranking for 56 keywords. So I can actually take a look and see those keywords. So here it lists the keywords, how many people are searching for that keyword every month, how much traffic they get from that keyword, and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. We can go through here, see which ones are relevant to what you do, bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those into your content. And so I'm going to go back, and the same way that we just went in and looked through all of their keywords, we can actually look through their backlinks as well. And so we want to find backlinks that have a high DR domain rating. They have 46 backlinks, but we don't want to just match them. We want to get way more than they have, and we also want to make sure they are better quality. So we can go through and pick some of these to snag for your website. We can find more from other competitors and find some more on our own. So 46 is not that many backlinks, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so before I wrap this up, I just want to take a quick look at your site on Ahrefs. Right now, you guys have 168 backlinks from 16 different domains and are ranking for 43 different keywords. And so obviously, it would seem like you have more backlinks than they do. But if you take a look down here where it says do follow, you actually only have 3 backlinks. And so the do follow links are the ones that you want. Those are the backlinks that are going to give your site power. And so we can check out and see which keywords you guys are ranking for and how highly you're ranking for them. And so right away, I can see that you are trying to go for some good keywords right here, like the one we just were looking at before, but you're not quite ranking, and that is probably because of all the factors that we talked about. So to kind of recap what those were is number 1, keyword rich content and the appropriate amount of it. Number 2, more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number 3, more high powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you got something out of this video and enjoyed watching it. If you want to learn more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.